Like a Hellcat.
Hey guys, today's another video, and today I am playing some Pokemon Go. It's been a long time, so I don't know. Let's see. I'm just transferring a bunch of Pokemon. I do not need. Let me see how this road is. Terrible. My brother can find some use for him. It's been a very long time since I've recorded a Pokemon Go video. To be exact, it's been since September. So those of you who don't know, and don't know the progress I've been on, I've been through so much with this account. Oops. It can be very interesting sometimes. That's for sure. But as you guys see, I have some new Pokemon. Okay. Here we go. Now Giratina should pop up. Let me show you. Okay. So I'm a lot better than how I used to be. I am now level 36, almost level 37. Today is Monday, so the week just started. I managed to complete. Finally, I have a lot of time and patience conserved into there. If you go here, do the Throwback Challenge Celebration 2020, no way in heck am I going to complete 15 eggs and 15 raids so quick. I just want the Genesect to leave. Nothing really, I just completed all of this and that's it. A lot of time paths, such as you go to Mythical, I have some mythical Pokemon. Only 12, not much. I delete a lot of Moltans. Legendary. I only have 52, not much, but it'll get by. I don't know if you guys know. But yeah, you guys probably know. But I have Shadow Moltres, which is good. And if you guys didn't see already, I have a Lucky Shiny Giratina. Now that's what I call beauty. I also have, Regigigas. Yeah, I did not show you. I have a Regigigas I got from the Colossal Discovery. I have a 2890 that's really good with Fire Fang and Overheat. Pretty good for PvP. But I want Stone Edge. This Heatran's kind of damaged. Hang on. Shiny. It's been a long time. But I have 71 shinies. Hang on, when did I last? Recent. September. Okay, so the Pokemon that you've probably Last time I recorded, I only had like 30 something shinies. From Gyarados to Watchog right here. Which is 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 24 shinies. I have 71 now. Hasn't even been that long. I got a shiny Mudkip from trade, shiny Flygon, shiny Trapinch, shiny Agava, shiny Weavile, shiny Minun, shiny Infernape, shiny Torchic, shiny Espeon, shiny Empoleon, another shiny Empoleon, another shiny Skarmory, shiny Aggron, shiny Lopunny, shiny Event Anniversary Pikachu, shiny Alakazam, Kadabra, Abra, Kadabra, Alakazam, Alakazam, Sharpedo, Stoutland, Shiftry, Seedot, Bronzong, Flareon, another Flareon, which sucks, Lucky Giratina, and another Alakazam, Lucky Vaporeon, Caterpie, which I got recently, 2 days ago. Shiny Caterpie, let's go. I am very proud of this. And he's my recent shiny. And not only that, but he's pretty decent. I do not want to evolve him. I'm going to keep him shiny Caterpie. He just looks so darn good. Of course, you guys know the rest of my shinies. And then we'll go up here. Nothing really different besides all this. I am best friends with my Aggron now. I don't have a lot of Pokecoins. I only have 139. Not much. But we'll go to items. Okay, let's see. Oof. I'm running out of Pokeballs and Great Balls. That sucks. And I'm running out of berries. And I'm running out of Sunstones. And I'm running out of Universtones. That's not good. Eggs, I only have 1 incubator, which sucks. But also, I managed to get, finally got a Rhyhorn. I am so happy about him. And I got another 100% IV Pokemon. I hatched a 100% IV Aerodactyl. 4 stars. From Tennessee. He was in a 7-kilometer egg. I have a 94% IV Ho-Oh from the event. From the Johto event with Earthquake. I did not manage to do the Kanto, which sucks. I have some good Pokemon, but what I'm most proud of where is he? Just trying to find him, don't mind me. Wait, did I pass him? Oh yeah, here he is. Great for Ultra League. Confusion and Future Sight Alakazam, who is lucky. I have a strong little but with terrible IV. However, from the Meltan, I got a 96. So with 96, I'll just power that up a bunch eventually, getting into Melmetal. Friends, if you want to add me as a friend, this is my friend code. And that's about it. Goodbye.